In this video, we are going to talk about materials in Lumion, and we will see how to apply material, how to get materials from libraries, and also how to modify them to create your customized material. So I'm gonna start here with the scene that I have prepared in the previous video lesson, and so I will load this one here. Okay, so you can see that in this model we have no materials at all. It's a completely blank model, and this is probably what you are going to get if you didn't set up your materials in your 3D software. So for example, if you're using 3D software for modeling like Maya or Cinema 4D or 3ds Max or Revit or ArchiCAD, so you can bring in FBX, and usually you will find the materials already in place, materials and textures. So here, if you don't see anything, you probably didn't do much in the 3D software that you use to model the object. Now, this could be the case. Now, another important thing is to distinguish materials in surfaces. So if you have one material for the whole object, the whole mesh, it's going to be difficult to Lumion to understand the different surfaces. So what you need to do in your 3D software, you need to specify for each surface which material do you want to put, and dividing the model into different surfaces or applying to different surfaces different materials is gonna help you here to do everything real quick and easy, as we are going to see shortly. So once you bring in your model, now I'm using here this one which is coming from the Lumion libraries, but you can also import whatever you want, and you can check right away if the materials and texture are recognized. I believe that the best format for that is the FBX. Okay, now if you have something like this, you can then move on with the materials. So I will click here in the material editor, and I can start now, you can see, to underline the different surfaces, and I can work on the different surfaces. One thing that I cannot do is to use the materials on the existing furnishing or existing objects and models that we find in Lumion. So for example, if I choose this armchair and I insert it into the scene, if I select it, I am only able to change the color for the seat, but I cannot change the materials and the textures. So this object here has predefined textures and materials, and you cannot do anything about it. Okay, what we can do is we can work with other models like this one here that we have imported from outside, and you can import also furniture or whatever. So let's get to the materials editor, and let's start with this one here. So I'm gonna select the floor stone. So this is suggesting me that this was the original name that was given to this model, again into another 3D application. So I can go in the materials and look for stone, but in this case I want to use not stone, but I want to use wood floor. So by clicking in that little arrow, you can see now I am back. These are the material library, and this first one that we find is the one to create new materials, but it's more complex. So again, click here and don't stay here, you just move here to the left, and you can see we have the material libraries. So the first one is various, because we have various things here, and some of these are pretty advanced and also pretty realistic, and also sometimes they are like 3D for 3D grass. And then we have indoor. Here you can find the fabric, for example, for furnishing, or you can find glass for objects and leather. So this is supposedly useful when you do interiors or indoor, and you can find also the floors here. So you can find simple wood, or you can find parquet and flooring, you can see here. So just pick one, the one that you like, and just apply it. Okay, and it's gonna be automatically applied when you are selecting a surface and you are moving here and just clicking on this sphere. Now if I go back here and click on the surface, this is going to show me all the information. Now let's assign some other materials. To do that, I will click on, for example, this part, which I believe is going to be metal. So again, I will click on this little arrow, go here, let's see in the outdoor now, and let's check metal. So you can see I have many different types of metal, and I like this one here, looks nice. And then I move on with all the other elements. So for example, I want to take this one and assign concrete. So you have plaster and you also have rough concrete, many different types of concrete. You really have a lot of things going on here. Now I'm gonna switch to a more bright scene shortly so you can see better. Again, this one here at the bottom, I can assign a concrete again. Now I can also assign the same material. If I select this one here and go here and say copy material, then I will move to the next surface and say paste materials. Okay, and then we are gonna move to the interiors later. Now also I want to use a glass for this, and you can see here there is something already going on, but I cannot see actually the glass. So if I don't see anything, I can apply it. I can apply some glass from indoors. I can test some of these. Okay, you can see you have also reflective glass. If you don't want people to see what's inside your building, you can create something like a mirror effect so you don't see what's inside. Also you have like this frosted glass, rough glass, and so on if you want to create many different effects. This is like amber or emerald and other things, and these are again other glasses that you can choose, and you have many different effects here, like old school glasses, and this one here is like pub glasses. Okay, and just pick one, the one that you like. Now let's finish with the roof here, so I can select surface and again go back, and here you also have something for roofs. So if you go in the outdoor, these are more like construction and building materials and architectural, and these are more for furnishing and interior walls and so and pavements and so on. Okay, so I have the roofing, but this is more maybe for classic houses with the slope, double slope roof, but again you can test some of these. Okay, this one looks okay. Okay, so when you finish